Yes! Just checking my neighbour's not there. Koftas. Finely dice 1 onion. Cumin, coriander, smoky paprika, salt, pepper, I'm not gonna lie, we were done like 10 minutes ago, I just feels good. Now we're just gonna shape our koftas. If you've got a skewer, you could skewer these, cook them over charcoal, would be unbelievable. I don't know where my skewers are, so I'm just gonna do little, kind of like sausages. When it comes to shaping koftas, it's not about like length, more thickness. You want to have the same thickness, everything cooks at the same time. And when it comes to life, basically the opposite. We're gonna make a little creamy garlicky sauce for our koftas. So, basically a mayonnaise, garlic, 1 egg, salt, grapeseed oil, splash of apple cider. Gonna go in with some lemon, about a tablespoon of tahini, and mayonnaise. This is like tahini garlic mayonnaise. I guess that's what this is. Some oil. Ooh, time to give these a little, not a flip, a roll. Looking juicy, yeah. These are looking amazing. Let's plate these up. So, got a little mini Lebanese bread. Our good amount of our tahini garlic mayo. And then we're just gonna pick, you pick the fattest one. Which one? You guys want this one? Or this one? This one? Wait, you want this one? It's like play school or something. Okay. And then got some of our fresh herbs and vegetables. Gonna go with some cucumber, some parsley, and then some sumac pickled onions that just had in the fridge. Probably should go to because I'm feeling frisky. Kofta, some fresh veggies, pickled onions, garlic tahini mayo. It's going to be good. Yes! Just felt like doing it. You know what I mean? That's the feeling this food gives you.